So I just got this in. It's a Hello Reef kit. An all-in-one it's supposed to be a compost and anemone kit, but you don't have to put anemones in it. It's an all-in-one kit. It comes with everything that you need to set up your reef tank. Let's get started. First thing you see when you open the box is a Hello Reef. Start here. You take this and you use the code there to register your tank. This is also telling you where your filtration is and what gives you a place to aquascape without putting your rock in the tank. It gives you where to put it in the tank and where not to get. In the kit comes a CSA Micro Plus multifunction pump. This is for your return. It comes with your filter sock. Give me 1 second. Like I said, this tank comes with everything you need to start a tank. It comes with your rock. A nitrile glove. It comes with a wave maker pump. And it comes with this stuff which you mix together after you get your rock scape set up. This bonds it together. And it comes with a scoop. Inside this box, there's an all-in-one kit. All this came with it. Mounting brackets. Heater. A little bitty flipper. Your thermometer. Stuff to set your refractometer with. Food. Your refractometer. Your light, which is an AI blade, and nitrifying bacteria. It also comes with Aquaphor salt, enough for 2 months, but I don't see how that's going to last 2 months when you have to do water changes every week. So yeah, once I get it all set up, we'll have another video. Thank you for watching.